Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter Real Numbers, exercise 1.5, sixth question. The question is given: if log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 of log of x plus log of y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So this is the question. We have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. Now see its solution, Anna. So in this, the given data. What is the given data? Given log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 of log of x plus log of y. Okay, you try to observe a part what is in the circular bracket. ఈ part మీరు observe చేయండి. It is in the form of log xy to the base a is equals to log of x plus log of y. Yes, the product rule. Log of xy to the base a is equals to log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి RHS part ఇచ్చాడు. Yes, log of x plus log of y. Then we can write it as in LHS part. Means we get it as log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, means we can write it as log xy. Okay, now you just observe this one. We have a power rule. Log x power n to the base a is equals to n log x to the base a. You just observe this formula. Log of x power n to the base a is equals to n log of x to the base a. Here n means 1 by 2, log x means xy. Okay, అంటే it is in the form of RHS part. RHS part form lo undi. Then we can write it as log x power n, means we can write it as next step log of xy power 1 by 2. Okay, log of xy power 1 by 2. As usually RHS part, log of x plus y by 3. Now remove log from both sides of the equation. Okay, na? Remove log from both sides. Okay, so log దీన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసేయండి. Then what happened? We can write it as just after removing log, ఈ log ను రిమూవ్ చేసేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? Remove log from both sides. We get LHS part is x plus y by 3 is equals to RHS part that is xy power 1 by 2. Yes. Now what I am doing here, x plus y by 3 is equals to xy power 1 by 2, means you can write it as root xy. You can write it as what, Nana? Root xy, because of nth root of a. Okay, na? Nth root of a, that is equals to, you can write a power 1 by 2. Okay, na? So like that, xy power 1 by 2, we can write it as under root of xy. Now what I am doing, transposing the division quantity 3 from LHS to RHS. Then what happened? X plus y is equals to under root of xy into 3. division quantity becomes into quantity. Again what I am doing, transposing this one from RHS to LHS, means we get x plus y by into quantity is becomes a division quantity is equals to 3. Okay, now what I am doing, sometimes we can write x we can write it as root x into root x. We can write it as root x into root x, because of root x into root x, that is root x square, means square root cancel, means simply we get that is what na x. So that's why I am writing this one x ni ela rastuna, root x into root x plus in the similarly y also we can write it as root y into root y. Simply root x into root x means that is x only. Root y into root y means that is y only. By here denominators also separate ga radham. You can write it as root xy means separately I am writing denominators, root x into y. Here also root x into y is equals to 3. I just write the denominator separately. Now cancel root x cancel, root y cancel. What we get? Root x by root y plus root y by root x is equals to 3. Okay, now what I am doing, SBS, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides cheddam, what we get? Squaring on both sides means root x by root y. Okay na? Whole square root y by root x. Okay, LHS part ki square apply chestunna and RHS part ki square apply chestunna. So we get like this. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square na. Then we can write it as a square means we get under root of x by y. A square plus b square means under root of y by x whole square plus 2 into a means under root of x by y, or we can write separately. A means root x by root y into b means root y by root x. Okay na, is equals to 3 square means that is 9. Simply I just expanded in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now square root cancel means we get here x by y plus here also y by x plus here root y cancel, root x cancel, means here remaining is only 2, that is equals to 9. Yes. Now 2 is transposing to RHS side, we get x by y plus y by x is equals to 2 transposed to RHS side means it becomes minus quantity. Plus quantity transposing means becomes minus quantity. So therefore x by y plus y by x is equals to 9 minus 2 means what? That is 7. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students. So, now see one more question in this model. The next question is given, if seventh one, question number 7, given data, if 2 power 3 2.3 power x is equals to 0.23 power y is equals to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to what? So this is the given data, Nana. What is given? 2.3 power x is equals to 0.23 power y is equals to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So this is the question. Now what I am doing here, first of all, in case I am taking case 1, 2.3 power x is equals to, both these two are is equals to 1000 now. Individual ga 2.3 power x is equals to 1000 equal is. Now see here, 2.3 power x is equals to 1000, we can write it as 10 power 3. 1000 ela rayachu manam, we can write it as 10 power 3 because of 10 into 10 into 10, that is equals to 1000 now. You can write it as 10 power 3. So apply log both sides. Okay, na LHS side RHS side log apply chestunna, logarithm. So log of 2.3 power x is equals to log of 10 power 3. So by using the formula, what is the formula? Log of x power n is equals to n log x. Okay na, power rule. Log of x power n is equals to n log x. That formula I am using, you can write it as log of x power n means n log x. X log of 2.3. Here also 3 log of 10. Now x log of 2.3 is equals to 3 into the log of 10, only e part. Log of 10 means that value is what? 1. Now what I am doing here, transposing this x to RHS side. What we get? By transposing x, log of 2.3 is equals to 3 into 1 by x. And the division quantity into quantities becomes a division quantity. Then again what I am doing, transposing 3 to LHS side. Into quantity becomes a division quantity. So we get here, log of 2.3 by 3 is equals to 1 by x. So this is equation 1, you consider it as. Are you understood, students? First of all, I taken these two and 1000 I express it as 10 power 3, applying both sides logarithm. Then after, by using the formula log of x power n, we can write it as n log x, and the value of log 10 is 1. Then after I transpose it to RHS side, it becomes into quantity, division quantity. Again I transpose it to LHS side, it becomes a division quantity. So this is case 1. So now case 1 we get what, Nana? Case 1 is log of 2.3 by 3 is equals to 1 by x. So this is the equation 1. Now coming to the case 2. In second situation, case 2, 0.23 power y is equals to 1000. This time I am equating these two. Okay, now we can write it as 0.23 power y is equals to 1000 means we can express it as 10 power 3. Okay, now apply log both sides. Logarithm ni apply chedam both sides. Then log of 2.3 power log of 0.23 power y is equals to log of 10 power 3. By using the power rule, n log of x is equals to that is log x power n. Okay na, what is the formula? Log x power n is equals to n log of x, లేదా n log of x is equals to log x power n. సో ఈ పార్ట్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని ఈ పార్ట్లో రాసేద్దాం. అంటే log x power n means n log x. we can write it as y log of 0.23 is equals to 3 log of 10. The part log 10 means that is 1. Y log of 0.23 is equals to 3 of log 10 means that is 1. Now what I am doing, y is transposing to RHS side. Into quantity becomes division quantity. So we can write it as log of 0.23 is equals to 3 into, we get that is 1 by y. Into quantities becomes division quantity. Again what I am doing, transposing 3 to LHS side. LHS side చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, we get log of 0.23 into quantity, it is also becomes division quantity, is equals to 1 by y. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what we want, ఇక్కడ మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి, what we want the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Yes or no? 1 by x means that is log of 2.3 by 3 minus 1 by y means what is the value, log of 0.23 by 3. Okay, now clearly you just see now, denominators are same. Yes, then we can write it as LCM is same, then you just write what are the numerators, log of 2.3 minus log of 0.23. Now you try to observe the formula, log of x by y, log of x by y is equals to log x minus log y. Yes, you try to remember the formula, quotient rule, log of x by y is equals to log of x minus log of y. Log of x minus log of y అంటే ఈ RHS ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నదాన్ని LHS ఫామ్ లో రాదు. Then we get what now, we get that is equals to log of 2.3 by 0.23, okay na, by 3. Yes, denominator is 3 now. Now so I written log of x by y. So by cancelling these two, ఈ రెండింటిని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, 2.3 by 0.23. You just cancel it. You can write it as 23 by 10 because of point after 1 decimal place. You can write it as 23 by 100 because of point after 2 decimal places are there. By taking the reciprocal 23 by 10 and 100 by 23. This is as usually the reciprocal of 23 by 10, 100 by 23. 23 cancel, 10 ones are 10 tens are. Means by cancelling 0.23 ones are 0.23 tens are. So we get 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to log of 10 by 3. Log of 10 by 3. Now therefore we can write 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to log of 10 means that is 1 by 3. So this is the value. Okay, like this we can find the particular solution. Okay students, thank you.